Have you ever checked your credit score on CreditWise and wondered, how accurate is this number, really? It's a question a lot of people have, and it's a smart one to ask. In today's financial world, your credit score is a big deal. It can affect whether you get approved for a loan, the interest rate on a new car, or even your rent application. Capital One's CreditWise is a free, popular tool for checking your score, and it's super convenient. You can check it as often as you like without it hurting your credit. But is the score it gives you the same one a lender will see when you apply for a mortgage or a credit card? That's where things get a little complicated. The short answer is, yes, it's accurate, but you have to understand what you're looking at. The score you get from CreditWise is a real, legitimate credit score. It's an accurate reflection of your credit health, but here's the key, it's not the only score out there. CreditWise provides you with a FICO Score 8, which is based on your TransUnion credit report. FICO is the most widely used scoring model, and the FICO 8 model is the one most lenders use to make decisions. So, in that regard, CreditWise gives you a very relevant score. However, there are three major credit bureaus, TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, and not all lenders report to all of them. This means your credit report, and therefore your credit score, can be slightly different from one bureau to the next. Add to that the fact that different lenders use different versions of FICO scores, and some even use a different scoring model altogether, like VantageScore. Think of it like a report card. CreditWise gives you an A on your math test from one teacher. It's a real grade, but your overall GPA might be slightly different because your English and science teachers graded you differently, and some schools use a different grading scale altogether. So, to get the full picture, it's a good idea to check your credit reports from all three bureaus annually. But for day-to-day monitoring, to get a general sense of your credit health, to track your progress, and to catch potential fraud, CreditWise is a fantastic and completely accurate tool. It's a great starting point and a powerful way to stay on top of your credit. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.